All right, so these are the visuals that are coming in on your television screen, viewers. This is the team BJP, or part of the team BJP, that has scripted the ultimate history in Delhi, making a comeback after 27 years. The last time BJP was in power was in the year 1993, right on top. You have the Home Minister winning Delhi. Has always been something very, very close to the Home Minister, and he'd be ecstatic. Like I'd said earlier, all wins, all elections wins are sweet, but some are a tad sweeter than the other. JP Nadda would be signing off as party president on a huge high. He's had 3 back-to-back victories, be it Haryana, Maharashtra, and now with Delhi. Nirmala Sitharaman, who gave the Bharatiya Janata Party that final push in Delhi, which lured the middle class that usually votes for the BJP in Lok Sabha but migrates for the Vidhan Sabha to the Aam Aadmi Party. This time, her tax break push made sure that middle class there didn't go anywhere. And then, of course, the C that you see at the BJP headquarters. That is the strength of the Bharatiya Janata Party in terms of the party cadre. They all came together to script what would go down in the annals of Delhi political history as a stunning, stunning comeback after 27 years. I want to connect right now to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal as well as Piyush. Aishwarya, you know, that big question on everyone's mind is now, who will be the chief minister? At one level, you have someone like Parvesh Verma, many would suggest is natural selection. He's beaten, Arvind Kejriwal on his own turf. He's a Jat face. The BJP could use that Jat representation. There's also word that they could also be a deputy. In all, it seems it's a decision that the BJP wants to take in no hurry, a 10-day period time now for them to decide on who will be the CM of Delhi.
Well, at least 10 days, but not more than that. That's the kind of indication that we are getting, Preeti. The big question, the million-dollar question, obviously, is who will become the chief minister. But we have had spate of chief ministers, those who were the real karyakartas, and this is what the BJP has been hinting at, that we collectively will win states and we will make sure that it becomes a people's party, a workers' party, and karyakartas are made the chief ministers. Case in point, the state of Rajasthan, the state of Madhya Pradesh. No one was expecting Bhajan Lal to become the chief minister. No one was expecting Mohan Yadav to become the chief minister in Madhya Pradesh. But that is the reality today. Even in Orissa, people were not expecting the chief minister to be the man who was selected to be the chief minister. So we should be prepared for any kind of surprise coming in. But before that, the celebrations that are taking place, dancing women, men, all of them wearing the saffron color. It's a sea of saffron that you can see here at the BJP headquarters. All of them, waiting and waving. In fact, we'll also come to them and ask them, दो चीजें क्या चाहिए आपको दिल्ली में अब?
पूरी दिल्ली को धन्यवाद, पूरी दिल्ली को थैंक यू। आपने एक अच्छी सरकार चुनी है और ये सरकार दिल्ली की सारी समस्याओं का हल करेगी। ये सरकार
साफ होगी, हवा साफ होगी, प्रदूषण कम
होगा, पक्का होगा। जिस तरीके से हमने 10th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी से 5th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बनाई, 3rd बनाने की ओर है, वैसे ही टॉप 10 कैपिटल वर्ल्ड की हम दिल्ली को बनाएंगे, फिर टॉप 5 में लाएंगे और टॉप 1 भी बनाएंगे। ऐसा हमारा रोड मैप है।
जमुना साफ होगी और केजरीवाल जेल जाएंगे और हवा पूरी साफ होगी, पूरा साफ होगी, विकास होगा, दिल्ली में विकास होगा।
देखिए, भ्रष्टाचार का अंत हुआ है और विकास का प्रारंभ हुआ है। तो यमुना की सफाई क्या पूरे दिल्ली का विकास होने वाला है, क्योंकि मोदी जी ने बोला है कि मुझे एक बार मौका दीजिए और दिल्ली की जनता
की गारंटी पर विश्वास है।
बिल्कुल, पूरा देश विश्वास कर रहा है, तो दिल्ली क्यों नहीं करेगी?
गारंटी मोदी की है।
गारंटी में सफल हुए हैं वो, इस बार भी होंगे।
मोदी की गारंटी and just showing you this person who's now come and with a conch shell now, making sure that he waits for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The victory sign, the Prime Minister's face, Preeti. This is what is happening in the BJP headquarters, and these are the people who made sure that they are the ones who made sure that it is BJP who wins. Delhi mein Bhajpa sarkar chahiye. That's the song sung by Manoj Tiwari. That's the song which is played in in the background, if you can hear the song, they're all now waiting for Prime Minister Modi. And the Modi ki guarantee, the Modi magic definitely has worked in the national capital.
Well, you're right there, because this time there was the Prime Minister who was on the ticket of the national capital, and boy, has he delivered. Any time right now, the Prime Minister would be coming in at the BJP headquarters, which is a sea of Karyakartas, and understandably there was a sense of ecstasy, a wave of ecstasy of sorts, where the BJP Karyakartas are concerned. It's deliverance for them after a very, very long time, 27 years in the making. Any time now, the Prime Minister's cavalcade will be pulling in. What we can expect is one of the most political speeches in Delhi by the Prime Minister. One thing was very clear, that the Prime Minister and the Home Minister were not happy that you had an Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar right under their nose in the national capital. Well, no more. It's a double engine where BJP comes in, where national capital Delhi comes into question.